paano po nakapag-file before 10th of the month tapos after 10th na mababayaran? The answer is walang problema basta bayaran mo on or before the deadline. Hello guys, my name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Balik tayo basta bayaran mo on or before the deadline. Ang next deadline ngayon is third quarter. After September, third quarter, pwede na tayo mag-file. Ano ulit yung third quarter? Month of July, August, and September. And then October 1, pwede na mag-file. So, for example, nag-file ka sa sample mo, October 10. Nakapag-file ka na online, pero hindi mo pa binayaran. Ang deadline ng filing and payment is on before November 15 for the third quarter ITR year 2023. So meron ka pang until November 15 para bayaran mo if ever meron kang tax due. Kasi pag hindi mo binayaran after November 15, considered late din yon kahit maaga ka nag-file, and ang hassle pag may penalty at malaki pa yung penalty. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.